Blood splitting and platelet-rich plasma injections are being used to help with knee, shoulder, and other joint pain. Dr. Hansen with the Hansen Clinic of Natural Medicine shows us how it works.
So this is my patient Jackie. Jackie has knees that have bothered her for quite some time, and she goes up a lot of stairs. Been in a lot of pain.
That chronic pain is what led Jackie to the Hansen Clinic of Natural Medicine.
I wasn't able to do just common things like in my kitchen to bend down into the cabinet. You know, you bend down to get something out of a lower cabinet. Sometimes I'd have to have my husband come and help me up. It was that painful.
Earlier, Jackie's blood was drawn, then it was spun in order to separate it. Dr. Hansen will use Jackie's own platelets to help heal her knee.
We use PRP to stimulate collagen production. So it's one of the most exciting new innovations of natural medicine. We're able to actually extract a patient's own blood, and we separate the red cells and concentrate that platelet-rich plasma. So the platelets are certain cells that actually are like the directors of the whole process. They bring in stem cells to rebuild and replenish cells that have the blueprint to remake tissue, whether that's cartilage, ligaments, tendons, whatever has been damaged.
An ultrasound is used to find the best injection site.
Jeff is going to help us guide the injection right into the right spot so we can see it on the ultrasound.
The platelets are transferred to the needle.
And this is just the plasma. We concentrate the platelets in here.
The platelets are then injected into her knee.
Platelets actually stimulate the migration of stem cells. Those stem cells have the DNA to repair every tissue. So they detect the cartilage is damaged, and because they're concentrated in this area, they focus on it.
That speeds up the reparative process. Dr. Hansen says it takes about 10 treatments and a month to feel the full effects. But Jackie feels better already.
I know I did not want to have a knee replacement, and this has really worked well. And the best part of it is I'm healing myself with my own platelets.
At my age, I want to maintain the quality of life that I can.
Bob is also seeing Dr. Hansen today. After a full knee replacement on his left knee, he's hoping to avoid one on his right.
We'll see today the patients who are doing their knees, they can get up and feel better right away, and they don't have the year of rehabilitation it takes with a knee replacement surgery. And they have the relief of pain, full range of motion, function, just thrilling to watch.
Bob looks forward to maintaining a healthy, active life.
I'm a mountain biker. I play tennis 3 times a week. When this happened on the left knee, I was not able to play tennis for 2 years.
So he's turning to PRP, platelet-rich plasma injections, made from his own blood to help heal it.
Orthopedic surgeons actually have pioneered this and are giving up doing surgeries because this works so well. Using platelet-derived growth factors, the platelet-rich plasma, injecting it into the knees or into the hips, shoulders, it regenerates the collagen wherever that is.
Bob loves that this procedure doesn't interfere with his lifestyle.
They say you're out a year. And you figure you're taking a year out of your life. And this, I have no downtime.
It's a rewarding procedure for Dr. Hansen too.
It's amazing. I love what I do. Naturopathic medicine is all about stimulating the body to heal itself. The body's a real healer. It's not doctors, it's not drugs. The Hansen Clinic is all about providing services to patients so that we can give them safe and effective natural alternatives.
Hansen Clinic of Natural Medicine has a special offer for Your Life A to Z viewers. The first 10 callers receive a free initial consultation valued at $345. For more information on Hansen Clinic of Natural Medicine, go to drhansen.com or call the number you see on your screen.